The Caribbean sun dips below the horizon. Shadows stretch long and deep. A hush falls over the islands. It is in this quiet twilight that the Blackheart man roams. He is a whisper of fear, a chilling tale told to keep children close to home. But is he merely a story? Or does he stalk the lonely roads, waiting for his next victim? The Blackheart man is a creature of darkness, both literally and figuratively. He embodies the fears that lurk in the unknown. He is a reminder that even in paradise, evil can exist. And his legend, passed down through generations, continues to cast a shadow over the islands. The Blackheart man's methods are as insidious as his legend. He preys on innocence, targeting children who are alone and vulnerable. His voice, a soft, persuasive whisper, promises treats and adventure. He entices them with candies, toys, and promises of a ride in his sleek black car. The children, lured by his promises, fall prey to his trap. They climb willingly into his car, their innocent minds oblivious to the danger that awaits them. He spirits them away into the darkness, their laughter fading into the night, leaving behind only a chilling silence and the lingering scent of fear. The fate of the Blackheart man's victims is a gruesome mystery. Some whisper of children found lifeless, their chests bearing a single, horrifying wound, a gaping hole where their heart should be. The stories diverge on the fate of these stolen hearts. Some say he uses the hearts in dark rituals, sacrificing them to malevolent entities in exchange for power. Others believe he offers them as gifts to the devil himself, fueling a pact made long ago. The most disturbing rumor claims he consumes the hearts, believing they grant him immortality and strength. The Blackheart man's origins are shrouded in mystery, as elusive as the creature himself. Some believe the legend originated from the term Black Arts Man. This term, steeped in colonial history, referred to individuals who practiced obeah, a system of spiritual practices and beliefs rooted in West African traditions. Obeah was often demonized by colonial authorities who viewed it as a threat to their control. The practices were shrouded in secrecy, further fueling suspicion and fear. The Black Arts Man, a figure associated with these practices, became a symbol of the unknown and the feared. As the legend of the Blackheart man evolved, so too did the image associated with him. Tragically, this led to the wrongful demonization of Rastafarians. Their distinctive appearance, dreadlocks often associated with the Blackheart man's depiction, and their use of marijuana, which was linked to obeah practices by some, made them easy targets for suspicion. This association was unfounded and unjust. Rastafarianism is a peaceful religion that emphasizes love, unity, and social justice. Yet the fear surrounding the Blackheart man led to discrimination and prejudice against innocent individuals who were unfairly associated with the monstrous legend. The question remains, is the Blackheart man real, or is he merely a figment of our collective imagination? Despite countless tales and alleged sightings, no concrete evidence supports his existence. No one has ever captured him, and his black car remains elusive. Some believe the legend serves as a cautionary tale, a way to keep children safe from the very real dangers that lurk in the world. The Blackheart man becomes a symbol of the potential harm that can befall those who stray too far from home or trust strangers too easily. Whether a phantom or a fable, the Blackheart man's legend continues to grip the imagination. He is a chilling reminder of the power of storytelling, the enduring nature of fear, and the shadows that lurk at the edges of our beliefs. The Blackheart man's tale will likely persist, passed down from one generation to the next, a chilling whisper in the darkness. He serves as a cautionary figure, a reminder of the importance of vigilance and protection, even in the most idyllic of settings.